quick and easy garlic butter shrimp recipe. This crunchy and crispy garlic butter shrimp recipe has just a few ingredients and is so easy to make, in 20 minutes or less. Shrimp is a great food to include in your diet. It's not only high in protein, but also low in calories, carbs, and fat. Peel and mince 3 garlic cloves. Chop parsley. In a medium bowl, mix together 200 grams of fresh peeled shrimp, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, season with lemon garlic seasoning, white pepper, paprika, and salt to taste. Mix well. Take a large skillet, drizzle it with olive oil. Melt 75 grams of unsalted butter over medium-high heat. Place shrimp in your skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the size of your shrimp. Don't overcook your shrimp. Remove and set aside. When all shrimp are cooked, add more butter in the same skillet. And cook minced garlic, frequently stirring until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add chopped parsley, squeeze lemon juice in there. Add shrimp to the skillet and gently toss to combine. Serve immediately, garnished with parsley leaves if desired. Enjoy your garlic butter shrimp. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. and subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.